The Ohio and Indiana Bar Associations require we give the addresses of the attorneys on the show. So right there you see Gail Hoffman's information in Ellesmere. And then of course we have Don and Dan Moore, and you get them at moorelaw.com, or you can just go to fox19.com and click on Moore Law, and you can see all the shows we've done before, and you can figure out how to get in touch with Dan and Don. And now, Don, you wanted to be real careful to make sure that we get to some information you thought the viewers should have.
Yeah, that's right. We have a little graphic there, and basically the idea is to let people know just what the effects of adoption are. And one of the things that a lot of people don't understand is the biological parents become legal strangers. And what that means is they can't inherit, they have no say-so of anything, they have no rights, their rights are terminated. With respect to the adoptive parents, now they become just as if they were the birth parents. They call all the shots. If they want to allow visitation by biological parents or any other aspects like inheritance or other things, they're the ones that are the parents for all legal purposes, and things regarding visitation, inheritance, support, all those follow. So that's something a lot of people don't know, and I think it's important for people to realize. So when they talk about a termination of rights like we did a few minutes ago, that means when they say termination, they aren't kidding. Once a biological parent's rights are terminated, they are legal strangers. It is as if they had no connection to that child whatsoever.
All right, great, thank you. And let's get to a call now. We have Don in Kentucky. Don, as I understand it, you're looking for information about your biological parents, not trying to find them, though?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fighting cancer, and I was kind of wondering how I can get medical records about my biological parents.
Sorry about the situation, Don.
I'm doing good.
Oh, good.
The thing is the first question that medical staff will ask you is your family history. And all I can tell them is I was adopted. And I'd kind of like to know a little about it. I don't know what the HIPAA laws might be, something that would interfere with that. I'm not sure, but I would like to get some kind of medical history.
Okay, and Don, I guess, is about, okay, and so he's about 54 years old, and
he was adopted in Kentucky? Okay, I guess you know what county that adoption occurred in?
Yes, it was in Louisville.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what county.
That's Jefferson County. And
Okay.
I would just, I would go to that court and ask, of course, now some people think Louisville is all the counties surrounding, but you need to know the exact county it was in. Then go to that clerk, the circuit court clerk in that county, and there's an application they'll have you fill out to get information out of the file. And on that, you just say what you want it for. So you don't have to meet anybody, but you might want to, because it's possible there are no medical records in there. It could be that they didn't want to fill it out. It could be that they didn't even have them then, because I have no idea. I know they do it now, and often they don't get them because parents don't want to fill them out.
okay.
Gail,
A couple things before the end of the show.
Yeah, I know we're running short on time. Gail, I got a couple quick questions for you. With respect to, the criteria has changed over the years. Can couples adopt or people adopt interracially? Is that allowed?
Yes, they are.
Okay.
And that was not when I started practicing.
Same with me.
Years
Same
ago.
with me, that's right. How about for gay couples or gay people? Are they allowed to adopt in Ohio and Kentucky?
I don't know about Ohio, but
Okay.
I do know that there is a case law in Kentucky, and they are still not allowed to adopt in Kentucky. That means to adopt as a couple.
Okay.
So
all right.
that's not permitted.
And I think there are restrictions in Ohio, but it's not the same. And then what about single parent adoptions? Used to be it had to be a husband and wife in a stable home and all that. How about now?
I've been doing single parent adoptions for probably about 20 years, so that is not a problem. It all happened when there was a big change in federal law some years ago, and that changed a number of things. But that changed the same time as the other issue, the interracial.
Gail, thanks so much for being here today.
Thanks for inviting me.
It's great.
Actually, it was your idea, which was great, because I guess because we've never done this topic before, and you thought that there was a need, so we appreciate
There is.
that. Okay, great. Thanks for being here. All right.
You know that next week we have When Presents Attack.
I wonder if I'm getting one of those.
As in Christmas presents?
So when presents attack next week on Christmas Eve, we will be here. Join us next week for Moore Law. We'll see you then.
All right, great.